We're here, it's Friday, and I'm Danielle, and I've got my daughter here with me.
Gianna.
And also my husband behind the camera.
Still.
Yeah, still. Very good. So we're hoping that you're all doing well, and thanks for joining us today. We have a really fun project with foil to do today. It's a lot of people like to keep foil just very, I don't want to say basic and plain, but just solid on your shirt. But we're going to add in distressing the foil like that. And this one was done with two-tone distressing. And I don't know, can we zoom in a little bit? Sorry for the bouncing around, everybody. Can you scoot it over for Daddy? Hold it out straight. Straight.
Straight.
Oh.
Don't look at the line.
Maybe too close. Yeah, don't look at the line at the top. I'm going to show you why that line is there in a minute. But that is actually two different color foils. We did the green on the bottom.
Yeah, we did the green, and then we did this pink. So this one was crumbled, and this one was plain.
Yes, very good. She remembered from yesterday.
Yay!
Who needs school, right? Have the school of mom right here. Just kidding, everybody. Okay, so the very first one that we're going to do just a one color distressed. So that way you can kind of see, if you're just going to do one color with it, how that would look. And that we're going to do the sea turtle, which as you can see is a very, I don't know if you can really see that. It's a super intricate design. It's crazy. She picked it.
Hold on, Mommy.
So,
Keep it up.
oh, keep it up. Oh, that'll be easier to see. There you go. Thank you. Okay, so why that line was on this one is because I didn't trim. It's really hard to see this type of vinyl because it's clear. So just kind of take note of that when you're trimming. Make sure you're very much inside the square that you've made for yourself. Okay, so we'll put this aside.
So we will be doing the sea turtle, and we have Mommy's flamingos.
Flamingos. Anybody that knows me know I love flamingos, so we're going to do a two-tone flamingo. So this one first, we're just going to do one foil on.
Mm-hmm.
So we have our heat press set at 300 degrees. We're going to get our tank top set up on here. Since this has this is the front of the tank top, sorry. This is the back of the tank top. This has this weird seam in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Don't press over that seam. It won't work out for you. We're going to straddle this over the heat press so that the seam is nowhere near where we need it to be. So the seam is now underneath the heat press. It's not going to affect our vinyl, which is very important.
Cheryl Brown asks, is this the adhesive vinyl? Excuse me,
yes.
I can't even speak.
Yes, this is Caesar Easyweed Adhesive Vinyl. This is just clear, and basically what happens is it is just like a glue or a sticky finish once we get it on there.
Hi, Mandy from Buckeye, Arizona.
Okay, that looks good there. It's tough to kind of gauge whether you're straight or not, but I think this is such like a fun design. Whether it's straight or not, I think we're okay. All right. And we're going to close and lock for just a few seconds, just about 5. And oh, while we're doing that,
We will be using the rainbow one.
yep. All right, peel off. Oh, I'm sorry. Stop the beeping. Okay. So, turtle is ready for some foil.
Crunching.
All right, get a big piece.
Good morning from Chicago.
Cut it.
Cheryl said it's a family affair. You all are awesome. I can't speak today, guys. I'm sorry.
Yeah, because you just woke
Hi
up.
from Maryland.
Oh.
Gosh.
Yeah, if you heard Gigi, she said Daddy just woke up, and that's because Daddy works night shift. So we woke him up just so that he could video for all of you out there.
Crumble?
Crumble away.
GB Yem says, what is the tank top brand and number, please?
This is, hold on. This is Bella Canvas. We picked it up from Alpha Broder. So we don't sell the tank top, but you can definitely...
This good?
Keep going. But you can definitely grab it from them. All right, that should be good. Oh, we have all this, the foil remains. All right, so the more distressed, the better, because that will make it really cool.
You can ask me to help you with that.
We're gonna place that down, just cover it, and we're gonna go for 10 seconds. I only have it set here for 5, so when the beeping goes off, we'll just kind of ignore it for a little bit. Pretend it didn't happen. 5, 4, 3, 2,
1!
Okay, cold peel. Just wait.
For the awesomeness.
So we're just gonna leave it there for now. We can get our other design ready to go, and that's gonna be our flamingos.
So what color do you want your flamingos, Mom?
We're gonna do the underside, what do you think? Underside dark pink or light pink?
Underside light pink.
Light pink distressed? All right,
Yeah.
so go ahead and crumple away.
Crumble!
And everybody else can zoom in here.
I need help. Do you just take this off?
Oh, look how cool this looks. Oh,
Just
sorry.
take this off.
Sorry, everyone, sorry about that. Hold on.
She did not open this one yet.
Side note. All right, now go. And everyone can come back this way. I'll peel this way so you guys can see it coming off. So cool. Hold on. Ooh,
Awesome, right?
look how nice that looked. Really cool distress pattern. Very fun. You didn't even get to see it yet. It's your shirt. You don't even get to see. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Perfect. All right, so now we're gonna do the same idea for the bottom, but on all those distressed areas where we didn't have foil, we're gonna put another layer on top, so that way you get that two-tone look. Is this the part you're crumpling? Can't crumple with a sticker. This is like wrapping paper. There we go.
GB Jim says, I'm sorry, I'm messing up your name. Says, sorry, I missed where to get it from. The shirt or the adhesive?
I think he was the shirt question. So Alpha Broder is where we got the garment from. But Bella Canvas is sold at a few distributors. You might want to check also Sanmar, I believe, is one of them.
Susan Usman says, how does this hold up in the wash?
Oh, it holds up great. No issues with the wash. You'll be just fine. I think that might be okay.
No, it's not.
No, you don't think so?
No.
To find the center, now, this, you have to hold on that. You know that the center is right here where the V-neck is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my transfer in half so I find where the center of my design is. I'm going to crease my vinyl so you can see that little crease there. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but...
I see it. It's right about here near the beak of the flamingo.
Yep, and then we're just going to... Push down too hard, Jay.
And then we're just going to,
And then we're going to line this up right where our V-neck is at. So that way we can make sure that we're centered on the shirt.
Good.
And Donna Radford said, do you sell the small heat press and how much?
Yes, this Transpro Mini Heat Press is currently on our site, and it is $159. Okay. Oh, this looks nice. Can you cut me a piece of the dark pink, please?
Pink, where is it?
Oh, sorry. I always forget the button.
You gotta press the button.
You do have to press the button. Okay. That is ready to go there. And I see a little hair on here, so I'm just peeling that off.
So you got that. Now we're going to put the foil over it.
Sorry, before I do the foil, I just want to make sure I get this dog hair off.
There's dog
Anybody
hair
that
everywhere in
has
the house.
dogs in their house, you know the struggle.
I have one everywhere on my sweater.
Okay. But if that is an issue like it is for us, you can always use one of those little brushes,
It's not cutting.
the lint rollers.
Ugh.
It's not cutting.
Hold the
It's
other
not
side.
cutting.
There you go.
Alright,
Okay,
never mind.
now I am dog hair free. Place that on here, cover, and press again.
Doing a two-tone color, how long do you hold it down? Is it still the same
Yes.
time limit? 10 seconds?
Yep, we're gonna do 10 seconds, lift it up, wait till it cools, and then place the other one right on top.
So you only want one crumbled and the other one
Yes,
flat.
the one is gonna be totally flat and perfect looking as you
Like
touch it
this?
more and more.
So this one's flat and that one's crumpled.
Yep.
I almost
So
dropped
tack
it.
clear adhesive 4 seconds. Sorry, I missed the first few minutes.
And now you'll see that your design is on here, and that's how you know it came off.
Okay, let's zoom in so that way we can see how all these nice little distressed areas. This looks so good, like just like this. But we are gonna press the other one.
So this one will fill in all the blank spaces that is not covered.
Right. So place that down, cover with your nonstick sheet, and press again. All right, so your first application, we're at 300 degrees, 5 seconds for the Easyweed adhesive. Then you place your foil on top for 10 seconds, and then it's a cold peel. And then this is our other layer, another 10 seconds, and this is also going to be a cold peel. And it should fill in all those little divots where your distress vinyl didn't hit.
Anybody here yet, Daddy?
Okay. Yes, the hair struggle of the dog is real.
Oh, look, can you zoom in here? Look at that.
Now all those little areas are now filled in with the pink.
Oh, that came out so good. Nice. It's just such a different look. And with doing one of these kind of, I love these kind of designs. This design was purchased, this design was purchased from Design Store, I believe. Oh, Design Bundles. And this one, I believe, So Fancy. So really great SVG files that are out there to purchase. And then you can just decorate with foil and make it really unique, different, and have like such a nice look to it. And then go ahead, let him zoom in on that one. Okay, any questions? And this one was done with obviously two-tone pink, but our demo or the other photo that we had two different colors. So you can definitely do two different colors if you'd like to just kind of enhance it. Are you really putting that on right now? You're not even putting it on right, are you?
Yes, she is.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, this is totally happening. I can't. It fits. Yay!
Okay, so one more time, can you tell the process of what you did?
Yes. So first layer, Easyweed adhesive. That's going to go on 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 seconds, and then you peel it right away. Then you crumple up your foil, place that down. That's going to be 300 degrees for 10 seconds, and that's a cold peel. If you want to do a double layer of foil, the other layer is going to be no crinkling. Place that on top, 300 degrees for another 10 seconds, and you're ready to go. A cold peel. And that should do it. All right. Any other questions? All right. Well, thank you all so very much for watching and joining us at our home studio. And,
Yeah.
and if you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email or give us a call. We will be here to help you. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Bye.